We are also happy to announce that on August 2017, all of our motorcycle models will be compliant to the Euro 3 emission standard.
GSX-R 1000R, the king of sports bikes, is back, better than ever, ready to reign on the racetrack. A definite head turner, the new Smash Matte Black Premium Edition.
Okay, good afternoon mga kasama. Nandito po tayo ngayon sa opening ng Inside Racing Bike Fest at nandito tayo sa Suzuki booth. At syempre kasama natin walang iba kundi si Mr. Hiroshi Suzuki. How are you, sir?
Good evening.
Good evening, sir. I see you have a new lineup of new bikes. Can you tell us about the new bikes that we have today?
Today, public launching Smash Matte Black color and Address Passion color. And of course, please watch GSX-R 1000R.
Mr. Hiroshi, I believe the GSX-R 1000 a lot of people are waiting because it's a very good sports bike. When will it be available here in the Philippines?
Yes, actually GSX-R is import CBU import from the country. That's why now we are process. Of course, very near.
So very soon it will be available. Okay. So Mr. Hiroshi, I know you're very busy, but again, congratulations for your new lineup, and we hope to see more. And the following days, there's a lot of activities. So guys, there you have it, Mr. Hiroshi Suzuki here, of course, at the Suzuki Philippines booth. This is Joey Storm Rivera, and you're watching Lifestyle on Wheels.
On behalf of Suzuki Philippines, here's a toast to you, our friends in the media, for your unwavering support, to our riders for your faith and continuously supporting our brand Suzuki in the market.
Congratulations, Suzuki Philippines!
Okay, so guys, we are with Sir Boying Moiga, the Managing Director of Suzuki Philippines. Sir Boying, good evening.
Good evening, good evening.
Sir Boying, alam ko busy ka, mabilisan lang. Ano po yung bago sa Suzuki ngayon?
Well, ang bago namin ngayon ay yung GSX-R 1000. No? Maliban dyan, yung aming address ay magkakaroon kami ng mga fashion colors. Alam, para sa mga millennials. No?
Para sa millennials talaga, no, sir? Alam ko, sir, napakarami nag-aabang ng GSX-R 1000RR no? At sakto, malapit na yung Philippine Superbike Championship, sir. So, yun. So, there you have it, guys, ha? Abangan nyo, GSX-R 1000RR available na. And of course, yung Suzuki address, no? They're gonna be available sa iba-ibang dealers.
Pwede na yan. Yeah, pwede na yan.
Okay, Sir Boying, di lang kita balahin. Sobrang busy. Thank you very much and congratulations.
Thank you.
Oh, back to you, guys.